Okay, it's Sunday evening and I'm winding things down, and I just wanted to give a short video to show you all the hard work that we went through today. Please don't mind the clothes rack in the back. Sorry, limited space in the garage. So with that in mind, let me show you what we did today. I'm so proud of how far we have come and what has taken place. Now, you see there's slats. Remember, there'll be stainless steel strips there covering that. That's going to shine. They're beautiful. And so that's my spots lined up. The reason I'm putting it in on top of this diamond plate is because this diamond plate was put in with some heavy duty bolts, and I don't feel it's necessary to upend the diamond plate just to put the wood on. So that's why it's just on the surface. There is an actual bed underneath of it. So, but look how this looks. Wow. And then with the burgundy, the rich, it's actually, the paint is a GM color. It's called Rich Burgundy. We had it made in Milton, Florida, by color matching our paint. And sorry, she's very dirty. A lot of dust and sawdust today getting back inside on her from the door being open. But look at that. So with the metal strips involved, I can only imagine how she's gonna look. I'm gonna pan around. Miss Elizabeth gave her such a shine. Look at the wood shine. Nice polyurethane finish that she gave it. 2 coats. And we just made it so smooth. Now that's after we sanded it. So we did do a coat, and we found that it pulled up some texture. So we then sanded the boards again until it was powdery, really nice and smooth, and then re-polyurethaned. But I'm really happy with that board, how it turned out, and how the cutout worked. That's awesome. Oh, I'm so happy. So, when the metal strips get put down on each one of these rows, it will seal that, and you're only going to see the nice shine of the wood with the nice chrome stainless steel strips running down the middle like ribs. Oh man, so happy with this project. This so nice. I love it. Just love it. It's going to add such an elegant look to the truck. So classic. Miss Elsie. Now the tailgate is still propped open a little bit just because we're working back there. So it won't be closed right now, but it will close. All right. Y'all have a great night. Tomorrow night I'll put in pictures, hopefully with those stainless steel strips laid down in the bed.